The Songar is an advanced loitering munition, also known as a kamikaze drone, developed by Turkey. It is designed for precision strikes against high-value targets, such as enemy armor, artillery, and personnel. Key features of the Turkish Songar drone. Type: loitering munition, kamikaze drone. Developer: Turkish defense industry, likely by STM or another major defense contractor. Range: approximately 10 to 40 kilometers. Varies by model. Endurance: up to 30 to 60 minutes of loitering time. Warhead: high explosive anti-tank, heat, or fragmentation payload guidance system. Electro-optical, EO, and infrared, IR, seekers. GPS, INS navigation launch method. Portable tube or vehicle-mounted launcher operational use. Anti-tank and anti-personnel missions. Counter-artillery and counter-sniper operation. Reconnaissance before strike. Can abort mission if target changes. Comparison with other Turkish loitering munitions. Alpagu, smaller, disposable kamikaze drone for single target strikes. Kargu, a smaller, lighter loitering munition used in swarms. Songar, larger, with longer range and more payload capacity. Deployment and combat use. Used by the Turkish Armed Forces, TİSK, and possibly exported to allies. Likely deployed in Syria, Libya, and Azerbaijan, similar to other Turkish drones like Bayraktar TB2. Effective against both stationary and moving targets. Advantages: precision strikes with minimal collateral damage. Low cost compared to missiles or artillery. Portable, can be carried by infantry or mounted on vehicles.